Okay, it's take three with the camera here, and I'm trying to just wish everybody a happy New Year's, and so are the chickadees out here in the cold tundra. It's minus 22 right now. We've had wind chills of minus 40 lately. It's been very, very, very cold. Very beautiful weather, but very cold. So, see our birds over there. They're having a good go of it. Garden over here is covered with snow, and I'm going to leave it that way because that's insulation, guys, and it'll keep the temperature of the garden bed underneath it. With all the lettuces around minus 5, you can do without light until we get a mild spell sometime later on in January. This is December 31st, 2017, so we're just closing up the year. I don't know if you guys can see the deer tracks over there. We got deer tracks. Lots of them, because they've been coming and they've been hitting feeders. I just filled them up there not long ago, so things are good that way. And big plans next year for the garden over here is I'm going to simply plant a variety of watermelon here called Blacktail Mountain. It's a 70-day variety. It's designed for, in Iowa, it was designed for northern climates like ours. So we're going to give that a go, and of course I'm going to try my scallybarks like I did last year. And we're going to redesign that watermelon bed. And we've been composting throughout the year, and we continue to do so through winter. This composter is full until it thaws again. And you can see the potato peels there. So that's what's been going on there. We're going to go in real soon because it's getting really cold. You can see more deer tracks, guys. A little bit of feed out for the animals. Getting through the tough times. There's our bird feeder, our little lights. So anyway, from our family to yours, wish you a happy new year in your garden or whatever endeavors that you are in. And what we're going to be doing here this year is we're going to be doing mixing up some carp files. Like I like to carp fish, and we live in an area here in Ontario that's excellent for carp fishing. So I'm going to add some of those videos in with the garden videos and our camping videos this year to mix up, because there's more to life than gardening. Not much more, but there is some. Okay, so it's Rob out, wishing everybody a happy new year. Take care, everybody. I'm coming in from the cold.